People offer tarpon to martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the motherland on the occasion of Langban Tarpon. Forest Minister Shamkumar warns people against removing of earths and stone from hills without TR. Cybercrime police arrest a 24-year-old man for harassing girls using fake Facebook accounts. And Liang Mai bodies one of indefinite blockade on national highway if the rapist of a minor girl in Senapati is not produced within 48 hours. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. People today offered tributes to martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the integrity of motherland on the occasion of Langban Tarpon. United Committee Manipur UCM organized the ceremony at the Great June Uprising Memorial Complex at Kekrupat. The event was held to offer tributes to those martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the unity and integrity of the state. Speaking to Impact News, UCM President Ilangbom Johnson appeals to all communities living in the state to strive for unity and protect the state from all divisive forces. He also urged the people of the state to make collective efforts to protect the integrity of the state.
Ikang kanghaudona 2015 gi August ki tang ahum da framework agreement sign tawgraba matung fauda nauna amuk suspension of operation imakha interlocutor ama hanak da lamba aduna phongdok pirambada tonganba akoi kanglu furuki oiba political aspiration si kanai fauba madu yengba yage haibana chingba yamna mawong marin tadaba statement sing thokba koi thengna khare akona thamjening badi Manipur haiba wafam masida akoi masidagi samna fauba masidagi haidokpa yade na thamjeningi Manipur haibasina loire Senapati da wangang biba tarabasu ukhul wangang biba tarabasu Churachanpur da ngang ba tarabasu Imphal Mayol da ngang ba tarabasu leibaki oiregadi Manipur haibasida yumpham oiraga ngang bi gadaboni.
Khongjom War Memorial Trust also observed a Langban Tarpon at Khongjom Kheba Chingkhong. People offered tributes to martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of motherland on the occasion. Taking part in the observance, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham said the occasion reminds the people of the sacrifices and courage of the forefathers.
Kanan kan ahalaman akoi popi ramba ahalaman si akoi ngapi ramba ahalaman si akoi iswar nen lawje dana akoi na ayam matam da akoi ahalaman sing si hingai matam da so hojeki matam da di luna nungsina tawidaba aduwa lei khidraba isori khoya khara tin khara matung da so akoi na kaukthokpagum tawba sida ngasigi kunmari rak suna chatharakpa Khongjom Tarpon sina akoi ahalaman singbo ningsing naba adugi tanjam so bibiri aidi ahan boy ni yawje.
A two-day national seminar on cultural heritage of Manipur began today at the Court Hall of Manipur University. The seminar is organized by Department of Anthropology, Manipur University and Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya, Bhopal. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham maintained that political, social, economics and information technology are significant in a cultural change. He said although Manipur is rich in sports and culture, there are many untoward incidents that still occur in the society. Radhesham also appeals to all to work towards the development of the society.
Most important thing I think when we discuss anything, especially culture, change is the biggest catalyst. Change. Now in the present world, four most important parameters are political, social, economical and IT. You may discuss anything, maybe culture. You have to take into account these four factors. Our culture is our political situation, our economy, our society. Even without IT, we cannot. Our culture may be greatly influenced by the IT, invent of IT, like cyber crimes. What's happening? It may impact, influence our culture. All the time, aspects we have to always consider. IT is very, very important.
Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar stopped and warned the truck owners who are removing red earth illegally and mining sand and stones without paying TR while conducting a drive to check deforestation. Speaking to media persons, the minister said the saplings planted on Van Mahotsav will be inspected from this month onwards and action will be taken against those officers who fails to look after the saplings. The team stopped and checked the trucks transporting sand and stones near Kanglatombi Forest Beat office. The team inquired the truck drivers why they did not pay the TR and also the reason for the failure of the officer at a forest bit office to collect the TR. The team also stopped a truck carrying red earth coming from K. Jeljangkhul and went to the mining site along with the truck driver and found a JCB removing red earth from a hillside. The minister ordered to stop removing earth immediately and warned of arresting them if they continue it. The minister also visited Maibam Lotpaching, Nambol in Bishnupur district to check if the saplings planted on Van Mahotsav are properly looked after. Meanwhile, the minister sent a security personnel after getting an information that some people were removing red earth around the area. The team seized the truck on which the earth was being loaded but could not arrest the people involved as they fled.
Forest officers in the garage calm the vital. My free Tadomba. I think that can guide Manipur Department in primary over Titan. The quick Forest Department in the potential of your own position level activity. I don't know, Kaumpi, District Manunsan Ladiva, with Forest Bit Office, Kalatumbi, BO and his subordinate staff, Algimatung and immediate transport Hadwan. Uzi Tarakanda, Tab the Luminataba. Uzi Hon Madu Forest Department is Pandam Neduna, Forest Department, Haimatungina, at the Haolam Daba, Utaga Hondaba, concerned officer Stamiamdo, Maduque, Honda Bagi, Quinahan, Action Logan have the Madugi, Utabas, Hore Ayamana, when I see how was it, Mr. Budishita Hovani.
A security escort of Speaker Yumnam Khemchand was injured in an accident today. The accident occurred while the speaker was on his way to distribute machines to ferment a bamboo shoot and solar panels at Kwata village in Technopal district. The speaker, however, escaped unhurt in the accident. The injured personnel has been brought to Imphal for treatment. An investigation team by Cybercrime Police Station CCPS led by Deputy SP and John MPS arrested one Asem Sethi alias Sadananda Maitei, 24 years, son of A. Shamo Singh from Hautal Thangjam Kunau, Pangai on the 6th of this month from his house for harassing a girl through fake Facebook account. In an FIR was lodged with the CCPS by the victim, which says she began chatting with the offender on Facebook who opened his account as Poiraiton Moirangcha. After replying to the person, he began asking about her relationship status and she replied accordingly. Later, the accused started using vulgar words and then sent her nude pictures and pornographic clips. The team also recovered a mobile phone along with the SIM card. Initial investigation reveals that he has been chatting with different girls using his fake account and harassed them. Liangmai Naga Katimai Rongdi LNKR and Liangmai Pui Naga Rongdi LPNR want of indefinite blockade on National Highway 2 if the culprit involved in the murder of a 14-year-old girl in Senapati is not produced within 48 hours by the government. President of LPNR, Priscilla Thiaumai, told the media persons at Manipur Press Club today that the minor girl sustained severe injuries including head injuries in the gruesome incident, but her statements were recorded in the ICU. She asked the police to record her statement as she has regained consciousness. Priscilla questioned why the culprit has not been caught yet when the victim has disclosed the identity of the culprit. She wants that the government will be held responsible for any untoward incidents. It may be mentioned that the accused in the rape case, which occurred on August 1st, is identified as K.H. Kashinba, 50 years, son of K.H. Adyalba from Nungtek, Tamenglong.
Mabuse tuna paraga zelda थम्बिबसे पामे अथुबा मतमदा फादोखरो हाइबिसि हाइनिंगे नत्रगदि अखोइगे अल्टीमेटम सि पीखरबनी अदुना अदुगी मतमदा फादरदि अखोइ एजिटेशन सि इन स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टर्म नेशनल हाईवे नंबर 2 असि अखोइ पांथोखरनी हाइबिसिसु गवर्नमेंट दा हाइजनिंगे
JSC against the death of Taurem Tonu has demanded action against the persons responsible for her death. Women of Tera Sadokpam Lekai, where Taurem Tonu hailed from, staged a sit-in at Ningthem Call Road today. Convener of the JSC, Kumukcham Langlen, lambasted the family of Tonu's husband for stating that she committed suicide. She alleged that the family murdered her. The JSC submitted a memorandum to Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar and Thanga MLA T. Robindro on the 5th of this month. The JSC also requested the DC of Bishnupur to hand over the body of Tonu to them. Langlen said the DC will announce tomorrow whether the body will be handed over to her husband's family or the JSC. It may be recalled that Tonu's husband and in-laws had claimed on the 2nd of this month that Tonu hanged herself at her husband's place in Karang, Mange Makhong.
Dandi laiba nupa asi puthopiduna matik chaba dandi pibiyo phasi tawduna hatpiyo nupibu hato aba matungda sibane haraga kayam yame akhoi gi Manipur sida chathariba crime se ahamda moina hato piraba matung sida masa matonda society postmortem lakpa report lakpa kuding mak ngasi bokta moi achumba report amta laktriba society case ngata laeba moina hato poraga society case ngata lai hujik phawda lai akhoi gi sida di society case sumna nate akhoi na siriba nupi si aduduna akhoi gi achumba langla langin phangdri pawba akhoi gi demand asi
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A woman has alleged that she was assaulted by her husband and demanded justice. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Saikom Milanda, a resident of Langtabal, Mantrikong, said the incident occurred on August 30 at her husband's place in Kangabok, Lamlong, Makhalekai. Her husband, Saikom Anand, 40 years, a CRPF personnel who is posted at Assam, arrived home without prior notice around 11 in the morning and physically assaulted her without any provocation. She said she received serious injuries and was taken to Thoubal District Hospital by a relative. She was then referred to RIMS. Milanda said she returned to her parents' home on the 5th of this month. She appealed to authorities concerned to give her the custody of her 2 young sons. An FIR was lodged at Thoubal police station on the 2nd of this month. Milanda said her husband was arrested on the same day, but he was released and no action was taken against him.
Nungdangi pung tara matoi makai saida ojigi ekoi ex enojina thado candidate na ma thado e haibagi pau che ekoi da phange police chalu matam da ju police na mana thado khare ekoi di upai leite mana keno tawdana pugre hai BJP gi thogdom do mani ai masa mak ki ju ai magi kaino oina chenjabani moina ju miwa taba ki dadana miwa ta kya tar mai dam da chenba ai gi damak ta di kari tawrobano hangdadana nupi phuri ba saing jaba jigi mana hak to onjalaga man mateng bangbiribje kadi maram gino habeje ai khangninge.
All Manipur Pre-Rug Association AMPA in a press release expressed dissatisfaction with the indifference of the authorities concerned to their repeated requests for payment of pending monthly salaries for 2 years for Pre-Rugs of Sakshar Bharat Mission Program under Adults Education Department, Manipur. The association also said they will boycott the International Literacy Day to be held tomorrow. Although the Island TD block at Island Hill village in Kangpupi district was inaugurated 38 years ago, it still remains non-functional. Island Block Development Committee has appeals to the government to send an SDO at the earliest to make it a full-fledged TD block. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Chairman of the committee, S. Robertson, maintains that the block, which was inaugurated in 1979, has not served any purpose to the people. He said the former government had announced in 2011 that the block was a full-fledged one. There are about 21,000 people of 94 villages under this block. He said the block has no infrastructure, even though the offices were constructed in 2012-2013. He said the villages travel more than 40 to 50 kilometers to Saikul subdivision for any official work.
Although hek thokpaga hojiksi 38 years karabani adu ngasi phawbasi smooth functioning oidaba adu khoi gi apambadi akoi public ki apambadi cycle chat pasi yam lui koi khundagi ai nearest haibadi island block sida lady basida khoida cycle chat pasi 40-50 km chale still di leye adu ka da ba mana sigi imphanda building lere building loina ma lere adu bench choki gumba magi infrastructure oil infrastructure le ba aduna SDO no hairi badi masi akhoina chu phanaba sille do ka ninge do kari su leita bani na ai even type su leite phamna ba choki sin quarter di lere.
District Magistrate Thoubal has notified that as precautionary measures for the 5th General Panchayat Election 2017, assembly of 5 or more persons which is likely to turn unlawful in scheduled area is prohibited under subsection 2 of section 144 CRPC. Carrying of sticks, stone, firearms and weapons or any objects which can be used as offensive weapons within Thoubal district are also prohibited with immediate effect. Child Development Project Officer ICDS Project Imphal West Wangoi organized a block-level workshop on infant and young child feeding practices, better child health, in connection with the National Nutrition Week at Wangoi Bazaar Community Hall today. Several mothers of the locality took part in the program.
Education की पार्ट से खरा वाले ना खन बदगी ताकि तमे बगी सरुक सी खरा वाले ना खन बदगी मोइने ECCE component है बामा है बदी early childhood care and education है बा component नमा नौ ना हाप्सन नबा होजिक थौरांग जे लौखत लेबा अतोपा स्टेट सिंग दजु मसी पाइखत पा हौना बा यावना गरे अदुगा अखोगी स्टेट तजु हौना बगी होजिक करिकुलम सेम बा खोटपा सिगी स्टेज दा लेरी बको चानरक कदोरे बा खोई स्टेज दसु aduna sigi matang da ju akhoi anganwadi workers sing sida chaurakpa khitang awareness khara ju pina na bai pandam thami.
President of Indigenous Peoples Association of Kanglei Park, IPAC, M. Babulin Maitei has asserted that the main objective of the association is to work for the welfare and economic development of the indigenous people of the state. He was speaking at the third foundation day of IPAC at Lamyan Bashangland today. He further said IPAC will tirelessly work for the development of the state. IPAC also felicitated 86 mothers who gave birth to many children on the occasion.
Manipur da kogi semilon patriba dagi kogi yelong miji na awaba tariba kogi nan employee asigi thabak thoram si asi jo koi yamna athuba matam da paikatuna kogi yelong mi singi kudong chadaba sing asi men khatpa ngamnaba amadi miyam da kogi ipakna miyam gi tambak thabak thoram sing asi mapung phana changjan gini amadi aikoina changjan liba thabak thoram sing asi bu amadi aikogi yelong mi singna ipaki thoram sing asi da changjan liba thabak thoram sing asi da saruk ya biu amadi sojo piu.
Zonal Education Office Wangoi felicitated Kangjam Jainta, who has bagged a national award for excellence in teaching profession at a function held at ZEO office today. Ministry of Human Resource Development awards teachers in recognition of their outstanding contribution every year. Kangjam Jainta was selected for the award in 2016 from Manipur. He is the headmaster of Samushang Shantipur Primary School under ZEO Wangoi.
Zonal Education Office Wangoi gi damakta di khwai digi nungai jaba mikup to oire aikhoi gi zone sigi makhada leiriba Samusang Shantipur Primary School sigi teacher head oiriba Oja Kangjam Jainta Kumar na 2016 gi National Teacher Award asi phangakpa amasung makpu na halakpa kanda aikhoi mayam punamangna taram na makpu okpa phangbagi khudong chaba ma mangna pibibase.
A mobile task unit of Fire Service Department was launched today. The stations of the unit will be opened at various important places like Khwaramban Bazaar, Singjamai Bazaar, etc. The mobile unit is opened to provide immediate service in a fire. A songbook titled Maral Luhong Tamba, written by Yaiskul Khwarakpam, and a poetry collection Asaba Bhut by Dr. Nirmala Rajkumari were released today at the State Central Library in Nite Park, Jutek. The books are published by Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Korjay Lup, Awang Potsangbam. Southeast Asia Human Rights Association will organize a debating competition on the 30th of this month in connection with the commemoration of Lamyanba Hijam Iravat. The competition will be held at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound. Armed Forces Ex-Servicemen Association Manipur felicitated Arjuna awardee boxer Laistrom Devendro today. The felicitation was held at A Company 165 Territorial Army Manipur Terrier Battalion, All Airfield, Koiringai. Members of the association presented shawl and other gifts to Subedar Laistrom Devendro. Speakers at the event encouraged Devendro for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. MPSC Chairman, former General Konzam Himalaya, members of the association and officers of Indian Army and Territorial Army Manipur Terrier attended the event.
Blessing PV Rabasi, Soidinamaki, Akwaki, Devendra Sabki, 2020 Olympic Game, the Mai Palakani Habasi, Yamna Chowna Kanje, Haujiki, Paliva Sarkar ki current theme, the Go to Hills Havani, Adubo, Akoi ex-servicemen singda, bring the hills to us and be united. Aiba Akwaki ex-servicemen association, Asigi, Yamna Chauba, Pandamama Thamaga, Koi Punna, district singda, Matang Matang Akwaki, Apunbaki Saktamasi, Utnanaba. Now
before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People offer Tarpon to martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the motherland on the occasion of Langban Tarpon. Forest Minister Shyam Kumar warns people against removing of earth and stone from hills without TR. Cybercrime police arrest a 24-year-old man for harassing girls using fake Facebook accounts. And Liang Mai bodies one of indefinite blockade on national highway if the rapist of a minor girl in Senapati is not produced within 48 hours.